Hello friends, now we see the next part of Unit 3 Bipolar Junction Transistor, Part 2nd, Unbiased and Biased Transistor. Unbiased BJT transistor, a transistor with three terminals, that is emitter, base and collector, left upon is called an unbiased transistor or open circuited transistor, under which condition the diffusion of free electron across the junction produces two depletion layers as shown in figure. So here one n-type semiconductor, here one type n semiconductor, this region is p-type semiconductor region. So here it is base, here it is emitter, this is collector. So this region is emitter, base and collector. Free electrons, they are moving in this direction, negative ions, they are moving in this direction, holes, they are moving in this direction, and the positive ions, they are moving in this direction. Since the three regions have different doping concentration, therefore the depletion layers do not have same width. It may be noted that more heavily doped regions have greater concentration of ions near the junction. The emitter base EB depletion layer penetrates slightly into the emitter as it is heavily doped region, whereas it penetrates deeply into the base as it is lightly doped region. Similarly, the collector base CB depletion layer penetrates deeply into the base region and slightly into the collector region. Transistor biasing. For a proper working of transistor, it is essential to apply voltage of correct polarity across the two junctions. The main condition for normal operations are emitter base junction is always forward bias and collector base junction is always in reverse bias. So here different two types of transistors are there, PNP transistor and NPN transistor. For PNP transistor, the emitter is connected to positive terminal, collector is connected to negative terminal, and so first portion it is in forward bias and second portion it is in reverse bias. For NPN transistor, emitter is connected to negative terminal, collector is connected to positive terminal. So here also the first portion is forward bias and second portion it is in reverse bias. The application of suitable DC voltage across the transistor terminal is called the biasing. Thus a transistor with three terminals having DC voltages is called biased transistor. Origin of transistor. Transistor has two PN junctions. The AB junction is in forward bias and the base and has low resistance. The CB junction is reverse bias and has high resistance. In general, it is used for amplification of weak signal. A property of raising strength of weak signal by using an electronic device transistor is called amplification. The weak signal is introduced in the low resistance circuit and the output is taken from the high resistance circuit. Therefore, transistor transfer a signal from low resistance to high resistance. So the name transfer resistance, that is transistor. Transistor configuration. We know that there are three terminals, namely emitter, base and collector. However, when a transistor is to be connected in a circuit, we require four terminals. That is two terminals for input and two terminals for the output. This difficulty is overcome by using one of the three terminals as common terminal to the input as well as the output terminals. Depending upon the terminal which is used as a common terminal, the transistor can be connected in the following three different connections or configurations: common base configuration CB, common emitter configuration C, and common collector configuration CC. Common base configuration. In figure shows a basic circuit of common base configuration. Here NPN transistor is connected in common base configuration. The emitter is in the input terminal and the collector is the output terminal. The transistor is operate in active region, that is emitter to base junction is in forward bias by battery VEE and the collector to base CB junction is in reverse bias battery VCC. The input AC signal versus the signal source is applied to the input circuit. The load resistance RL is to be connected in the output circuit and output voltage V0 is developed across the transistor. Current amplification factor. It is the ratio of output current to the input current. In common base concentration, IE is the input current and IC is the output current. The ratio of collector current to emitter current is called current amplification factor, alpha of a transistor, that is alpha equal to IC upon IE. It is also called forward current transfer in ratio, that is SFB, where F is the forward bias and B is the common base. Expression for collector current. The total collector current of the part of emitter current which reaches to the collector, that is directly proportional to IE. The leakage current, I leakage, is the current is due to the minority carrier across reverse bias collector base junction. It must be smaller than alpha I. Therefore, the total collector current is IC equal to alpha I plus I leakage. If I equal to 0, that is emitter current is open, a small leakage current flows in the collector circuit. This I leakage is termed as ICBO, that is collector base current with emitter open, and it is equal to IC equal to alpha IE plus ICB0. ICBO is exactly reverse saturation current and it is temperature dependent. Thank you.